Welcome to Wealthatics. Wealthatics exists to help entrepreneurs grow, invest, and leverage the wealth they create and feel confident about the process. Our goal over the next few videos is to help you understand the fundamentals of what Sam calls the wealth triangle. The purpose of the wealth triangle is to give you the resources, knowledge, and foundation to make the right decisions with your wealth. I am Jason Franciosa, and this is Sam Prentice.
Perfect. Thanks, Jason. So this is really important to me because in my experience, I've worked with a lot of high net worth entrepreneurs, business owners, and investors. And one of the things I've seen in my career is I've seen that we tend as financial planners and advisors and strategists or CPAs, whatever, we tend to typically overcomplicate the strategies behind building wealth. One of my goals here with this is to take all the things that I do on kind of a bespoke higher level to my high net worth clients and put all this available to anybody that's out there that says, I want to build my wealth. I want to do it in a way where I win more times than I lose. I want to put that information out there so that entrepreneurs like myself, business owners, investors, when opportunity comes, they will have enough knowledge to know how to act with clarity and confidence in times when the market is up, down, sideways, whatever is taking place in the current economic environment. I want to make sure that entrepreneurs know how to take action that's good action that fits into their model. And so that's why we put together this the simple model of building the wealth triangle is it's kind of follows like the food pyramid where we grow from step to step. Piece number one in this wealth triangle is building a base. Building a base is important because you build a liquid, safe base of assets, think checking, savings, those kind of assets that are liquid in the event that a downturn happens in your business, in the economic cycle or whatever. You are both able to deal with the challenges it presents and also take advantage of the opportunity that those kind of things present to itself. So the base is kind of our security that makes sure that we can deal with challenges that come up. Step number two is to buy cash flow. We buy cash flow so that along the way, as we build our wealth, we build businesses, we build investments or whatever, we are buying cash flow so that our lifestyle expenses are being covered by the passive cash flow we create from a risk mitigated portfolio. We're looking for safe, consistent cash flow that comes in over and over again. This is key because psychologically, if you know my basic needs are met with cash flow, then you can be much more aggressive in the growth of your other portfolio, in the growth of your business, in the growth of your investments. So step one is build a base so we're protected. Step two is buy cash flow so that we replace our lifestyle expenses. Step three is then to speculate if you want to speculate. And you don't necessarily even have to do this. But if you want to and you want to go buy businesses, private equity, options, land, all these more equity growth type investments, you can do so. But my rationale is that if we do that in the right order, where we build our base first so we have cushion, we're able to deal with life's challenges, we never have to sell our assets at a discount because we didn't prepare. Step two is we buy our cash flow so we can psychologically approach our speculation in the right fashion. Then our cash flow can pay for speculation. If we quit speculating because we keep losing, we always have our cash flow left behind it. So this is the key model: is base, cash flow, speculation, and entrepreneurs, business owners, investors who follow that model, I've seen it time and time again where it helps them build wealth in a really consistent fashion. So my goal with this channel is to be able to provide this content that I share with my high net worth clients on a routine basis, on a one-on-one basis, provide this in mass where you're able to consume it. Jason has been awesome helping get some of these things out of my brain and put it in front of you guys where you'll have access to it. I don't know how all this works, but if you are in YouTube and you want to go like something or you want to subscribe, please feel free. Jason, if you have any other instructions for him, go ahead and share them now because I'm not sure where we're going.
Nope, that's it. Just subscribe to the channel, like the video. If you have any questions, put them in the comments.
Awesome. That'll work. We'll see you guys later on.